In this video, I'll show you how to send Bitcoin from the Crypto.com app to another wallet. First, open the Crypto.com app and go to the Account section. Tap Crypto Wallet, then find and select Bitcoin, BTC from your list of assets. This will open your Bitcoin wallet where you can manage deposits and withdrawals. Next, tap Withdraw, then choose External Wallet. If you haven't added the destination wallet before, tap Add Wallet Address. Paste the Bitcoin wallet address you want to send to, give it a label if needed, and confirm the address. Crypto.com may ask you to verify the wallet using email confirmation or two-factor authentication for security. Once the wallet address is added, select it from the list. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, and review the transaction details carefully, including the withdrawal fee and the final amount the recipient will receive. After confirming the details, approve the withdrawal and complete any required security verification. Once the Bitcoin network processes the transaction, the funds will arrive in the receiving wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.